So most of the users know that when we use any USB drive or pen drive in our PC or laptop, we need to safely remove this device from the taskbar. You can see and just going to the USB icon, and from here eject the flash drive. So this is the safest process that you need to use on your PC to remove pen drive or any other storage device that you connect with your PC. And this is safe because by this process your data will be safe and maybe there is no broken data in your device. But after watching this video, you do not need to go every time here, and you can automatically done this process, and you can just enter any device or you can just eject anytime you want. No need to come here every time, and no need to do the safe eject every time for your USB on your PC. So do not let further and check out today's video. So to do this, first of all you need to insert your USB drive in your laptop or PC. Here in my laptop I am inserting my USB drive right now. And now after inserting my USB drive, I need to go to my device manager. To go to device manager, you just need to go to your start menu, and from here you need to search for device manager. You can see I have got it in the first option, so I just click on the device manager, and from here you can see in this window there is all the device connected to my PC is listed. From here you need to go to disk drives, because our USB drive, I mean the pen drive, is actually a disk drive, storage drive. So I just click here and you can see this USB 3 flash drive. This is the device I am going to use this safe eject format for lifetime, that I do not every time go to the taskbar and need to do this. So after coming to this page, you just right click on here and you will get this option. So after right clicking on this drive, you need to go to properties. So after properties, you need to go to policies. You can see here. So here is two options. One is quick removal and another is better performance. So if you select the below one, then you need to enable and do the safely remove hardware every time, because if you use this better performance, then your data speed might be high, but every time do the safely remove hardware. But if you use this quick removal method, that you do not need to do the safely removal every time. You can see here written is disable write cache on the drive and Windows, but you can disconnect the device safely without using the safely remove hardware notification icon. So we just don't need to go every time here. We can just use and safely remove anytime we want. No need to click on the safely removal after selecting this option. So we need to select on this quick removal and then click on OK. So that's it, our setting have been completed. Now every time I just insert my USB stick in my PC or laptop, I can just eject it anytime I want. So you can see I am already having my USB drive here, and I can just eject it as I want. So this was the process how you can never need to do the safely remove on a Windows 10 PC. I hope you understand, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and if you learned something new, please consider subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.